Definition of a function, general concepts. In this video, the general definition of a function is presented along with some basic concepts. A function is basically a special relationship between sets. These sets can be called input and output, and the function establishes its relationship. Consider set A and set B. This special relationship states that a value of A must correspond to a unique value of B, being called a function of A in B. Let's call this relationship function f. The input of the function is often called the independent variable. It does not depend on anything other than our will. Now the output depends on the input variable, and thus it is called the dependent variable. Usually we name x as our independent variable and y as our dependent variable, and so we can write that y is a function of x, y equals to f of x. This relation can also be written as follows: f from a in b or f from x in y. Other names can be given to x and y, such as argument or object for the input variables, or value of function or image for the output variables. Some other important concepts in functions are the domain, which is the set of the total values or elements of the input set, and in like manner the codomain is the set of the total values or elements of the output set, and the range is a set of values or elements that the function actually produces. This correspondence of set values originate coordinates that are ordered pairs. Ultimately, this is the best way to represent a function through a set of points, and the number of coordinates depends on the dimension that we are working in. 2 dimensions, 2 coordinates, x and y, 3 dimensions, 3 coordinates, x, y, and z, and so on.